How many ants are there in the world? Estimating the total number of ants in the world is a challenging task due to the vast and diverse habitats in which ants live, ranging from forests and grasslands to urban areas. Additionally, ant colonies vary greatly in size, with some consisting of only a few hundred individuals and others numbering in the millions. That being said, scientists have attempted to estimate the global ant population. A commonly cited figure is around 10 quadrillion individual ants on Earth. This estimate, however, is a rough approximation and should be taken with caution. The true number may be significantly higher or lower, and ongoing research may provide more accurate estimates in the future. Ants play a crucial role in ecosystems, contributing to soil health, nutrient cycling, and pest control. Their ability to adapt to various environments and form complex social structures has allowed them to thrive in nearly every corner of the globe. If there were 10 quadrillion ants, how much would they weigh in total? If we estimate that each ant weighs about 4 milligrams on average, although real weights vary among ant species, and there are roughly 10 quadrillion ants in the world, we can estimate their total weight would be around 40 million metric tons. This is a basic calculation, and the actual weight might be different due to differences in ant species, colony sizes, and individual ant weights. What happens if there were no ants? What would be its implications? Ants play crucial roles in ecosystems, and their absence could have significant implications for both natural environments and human societies. Here are some potential consequences of a world without ants. First, disruption of ecosystems. Ants are keystone species in many ecosystems, influencing the abundance and distribution of other organisms. They contribute to nutrient cycling, soil aeration, and seed dispersal. The absence of ants could disrupt these ecological processes, leading to imbalances in the ecosystem. Second, impact on soil health. Ants contribute to soil health by aerating the soil through their digging activities. Their tunnels enhance water infiltration and nutrient distribution. Without ants, soil structure may become more compact, affecting plant growth and the overall health of terrestrial ecosystems. Third, pest control issues. Many ant species are predators of various pests, such as insects and termites. Without ants, populations of these pests could surge, leading to increased damage to crops and other vegetation. Ants also play a role in controlling other arthropod populations, contributing to a more balanced ecosystem. Fourth, loss of seed dispersal. Ants are involved in seed dispersal through a process known as myrmecochory. Certain plants have evolved to rely on ants to transport and bury their seeds, promoting the germination and survival of the plants. The absence of ants could impact the dispersal of these plants, affecting plant diversity and community structure. Fifth, changes in food chains. Ants are important links in food chains, serving as prey for various predators, including birds, reptiles, and other insects. Their absence could disrupt these food chains, affecting the abundance and distribution of other species throughout the ecosystem. Sixth, altered soil microbial communities. Ant activities influence soil microbial communities. They deposit organic matter in their nests, contributing to nutrient cycling and microbial diversity. The absence of ants could lead to changes in soil microbial composition and function, influencing nutrient availability for plants. Seventh, impact on agriculture. Ants contribute to pest control in agricultural settings. They prey on insects that harm crops and help control pests through biological control mechanisms. The absence of ants could result in increased reliance on synthetic pesticides, potentially leading to environmental and ecological consequences. Eighth, reduced biodiversity. Ants contribute to biodiversity by influencing the distribution and abundance of other species. Their interactions with plants, insects, and other organisms create a web of ecological relationships. Without ants, some species may decline or disappear, leading to a reduction in overall biodiversity. Challenges for certain plants. Some plant species have evolved specific mutualistic relationships with ants, such as extrafloral nectaries that attract ants for protection against herbivores. The absence of ants could leave these plants vulnerable to herbivores, affecting their survival and reproduction. 10th, impact on human activities. Ants provide various ecosystem services that benefit humans, such as pollination, soil aeration, and pest control. Their absence could lead to increased costs for agriculture, forestry, and other sectors that rely on these services. Additionally, some human cultures use ants as a food source, and the absence of ants could impact dietary practices. In summary, the absence of ants could have cascading effects on ecosystems, influencing soil health, nutrient cycling, pest control, and biodiversity. Understanding the ecological roles of ants highlights their importance in maintaining balanced and functioning ecosystems.